I'm Ashley Lenhart. I'm a postdoc in bioanalytical chemistry, and my research is focused on developing the technology to allow us to probe biological questions. So I look at specifically neuromuscular connections, so where your brain cells are reaching out and connecting to your muscle cells. I'm focused on understanding inflammation. It's involved in many different diseases, somewhere around 90% of diseases. So better understanding inflammation will allow us to better understand diseases and hopefully find cures and treatments for diseases. This valve, or how much? To probe these connections between cells, we need to get down to a cellular level, even a molecular level. We can't see this with the naked eye, so we need really, really sensitive methods to allow us to capture the dynamics occurring on this small scale. The volume of samples that we're working with, if you compared one droplet of sample to a normal liter bottle, that would be the same comparison as a liter bottle compared to the moon. So these are quite small samples that we're working with, very hard to see. I've always used drawings to help me understand things, but when I was an undergraduate, the graduate student mentor that I worked with would pull whatever piece of paper, a sticky note, or whatever she could find on her desk to draw out her thoughts and help explain to me what was happening in her research and the research I was being trained on. And I kind of picked up that habit from her, just grabbing whatever was available, be it a shred of a cardboard box or a Post-it note or some printer paper, and drawing out my thoughts. Something about holding the pen and manually doing that and thinking through what's happening, I think it just connects better with my brain. So I like having that physical piece of paper that I hand to a mentee when we're trying to understand something so that they can reference it, add to it themselves. And having feedback from a mentee or thinking about it through their eyes can make you think about your research differently. And sometimes that's really just what you needed to get it going again. You might be stuck in sharing with a peer or a mentee, and having their thoughts on that, it can definitely help you see it from a new perspective and maybe get the research moving in a good direction that it hadn't been moving before, just getting that outside perspective. I did not even know what graduate school was before I made a connection with my mentor, and having a lot of different mentors helped me gain the confidence to go to graduate school. The mentorship I then received through graduate school was invaluable. It's something that has shaped me and shown me what is out there and what I can do, and so I want to give that back and help other students who are in positions similar to me or very different.